Well, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Nyoero, and if you've been here, you're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. Like I always say, thank you for always supporting me. So today's video is quite interesting. Yeah, I know, like I say all my videos are interesting, but I know they are because we are doing this hair tutorial. Yeah guys, I know I look hella bomb. Like, make sure you give me a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe if you're new here, and also you can help me share my content if you love it, because I know you're loving it if you're watching it until now, or if you're still watching it. So without no further ado, let's get to the video. have done this in like 3 hours, and only because I was unraveling my own hair and I was also filming and all that. But I know it would have taken it would have taken less time if I was doing this with no disturbance and all that, because I was also picking calls, working and all that. But it took me like 3 hours. But I feel like this is a 2 hours hairstyle, especially if you're doing it shorter, then it's going to like take you a short amount of time, because mine are like waist length, like just above my butt. And yeah, you see why it took like 3 hours. But best thing about this hairstyle is the fact that it is so light. I have never had faux locks as light as this, lighter than braids. Yeah, they're that light, guys. I've plugged you in. So I think the trick to this is while doing the base of your faux locks, don't use the normal braids, because they're going to make it more heavier. So use you can actually use the kinky braid, you can use the afro kinky for your base and all that, but don't choose the braid. Those braids are heavier than this kinky hair. So I really did big partings, like I only have 16 braids. Don't forget to moisturize your hair before you plait it. So wrapping my hair while doing the braids with my own hair, I used my hair growth butter. But before then, I also used my leave-in treatment and my hair growth mist. At first, you massage it into your head, make sure your hair is moisturized, so that when you wrap it up with all these braids and with all these kinky braids, it's going to be moisturized inside the braid. So we are avoiding breakage by using these two, and these are the best products I've gotten to use this past month. It has repaired my hair, it has healed my hair. My hair is actually growing, and my hair was not growing. My hair grows really slow. So my hair is at that place I wanted it to be. My hair is thicker and healthier right now. So one thing that I will tell you, always make sure you moisturize your hair, because it helps a lot, especially if you're doing these protective styles. Another thing, if you have thin hair, again, I'm sorry, this style is not for you, because there's no need for you to risk having good hair just because you want to have a good hairstyle. So yeah, you can always use your coconut oil on your hairline, or you can use the castor oil. So if your hairline is really suffering, use coconut oil or castor oil. So apply coconut oil around your edges after your skincare routine, then just tie your hair towards the back. So let me show you guys how I'll be tying my hair. So this is the bonnet I used. The last time I had the huge faux locks, this is the bonnet I was using for my hair. And what I like to do is just I make sure my hair is into a bun. Trust me, this bonnet looks small, but I think oh my god, I'm doubting myself. I think it's going to fit. Just make sure your hair is into a bun. And guys, you can see everything is put inside and it's intact, and it's not going to come out or anything. So if you're putting on a bonnet, this is the best way you can put your bonnet before you sleep, and as it ages, it looks better. Another point is, guys, I did really big partings. You can actually use your fingers to part. You don't have to have a perfect parting. I find some parts have thick faux locks, some don't have the thick faux locks, depend. But I really didn't want all of them to be even, because it will not look natural. So I used the fluffy kinky the extra long fluffy kinky for angels. Their fluffy kinky is soft, and I used 3 to 4 packs. 3 packs and a few of the 4th pack I used, and I have 16 strands, and each pack has 20 strands. So you can do your math. After you do one faux lock, you can actually do the math and multiply, then you'll know like how many packs you'll use. I think it's as easy as that. Save yourself some coins. Oh yeah, guys, I forgot, I got 1 packet of the fluffy kinky extra long for 380 400. To be using like almost 1600 roughly. You're going to be using like almost 1600 only for the hair and you've not installed it, this is why I'm here for you guys. I'm here so that I can plug you in on how to get this hairstyle on a cheaper price. So get your hair at 1600 or 2k, it doesn't matter. If you want them longer, you're definitely going to use more packs. If you want it shorter, you're definitely going to use less. You're definitely going to use less hair. So just do your math, guys, and know how many packets you're going to get. But for this, I used like 3 to 4 packets, almost 4 packets, but I'm sure of 3 packets. Yeah, I've filled you in, guys. I've given you the easiest way to do your hair. Like, this is very, very easy to do and really fast and quick, especially if you're doing it on someone. You're really going to be doing this on a very short period of time. So save yourself some coins, girl, save yourself some coins and try this out. You can definitely tag me on IG and I will repost your work. You can also comment down below. Let me know what you think about this hairstyle. How is it? How did I do it? How good do I look? Yeah. Yeah, are you going to try it? Yeah. So this is the end of our tutorial. Until then, bye. Mwah. And it is not over yet, guys. You can actually click on this video and this video and get to watch more videos of mine and learn more hair tutorials, makeup, and more about fashion. Until our next video, guys. Mwah. Bye.